today video I'm going to share you one of the secret AI tool which help you to build any coding project. So if I'll compare to other AI tool like Windsurf by Codium, yeah, Cursor AI, yeah, any other like Microsoft Copilot. So in these three, if I'm compared to this AI tool, so this AI tool is 100% free. You can write 100 times and you can take the code, and then you need to only copy paste that code in your terminal. So that is only difference there. If I'll talk about like a Codium, yeah, Windsurf, yeah, this Cursor AI, so they are providing limited access. If around 500 credits you only able to use particular days. Okay, so that is main bandwidth there. So if you are going to build large scale of project, so that will not help. You need to buy the premium version. But same thing if coming to this secret AI tool, it's nothing you need to pay any penny of rupees. You only need to what you need to do. First you need to log in through your Google account. Here I have already logged in with my TechLI account, and then only you need to come and here you need to give your prompt. So guys, I will start and I will start writing my prompt, and same thing you will also follow whatever I'm going to write, and then you can do lot of research and do lot of practice, so you able to create your whatever project, whatever application you want to build. So simple. First I will explain you what is this secret AI tool name is. That tool name is Qian. It's a Chinese AI tool, and it's they are claiming they are powerful and all. So they have multiple version there. If you see my screen here, see. So this is the powerful version, and they are providing totally free of cost. So this artifacts means whatever coding if you want to build, you can build, and it will also run this Qian. So that is beauty there. You don't need to go other terminals. So that is main thing there. Here you can do web search, but right now it's not there. Then, probably it will come within a month, and you can generate ton of image. Okay, totally free, because ChatGPT also give the image generation, but only 3 to 4 image you can generate in a one day. But here you can generate multiple image. And then fourth is video generation is also coming on this, but right now it's not there. In a maybe future within 2 months or 3 months it will come, and that is also totally free is there. So let's start, because we mostly going to focus on our coding part, so how you can use and all. So let's see. I want to build a web application with calculate my daily work routine. Okay, so I'm going to give a prompt for that. I want you to build a app which calculate my daily routine and also count based on set time my work hour. Then it will submit my timesheet automatically for particular day. See, and this process happen all 7 days, and also check my login and log out, and then give weekly reports and monthly reports for each employee. So this is my prompt there, and I want to build. I've already hit the so see, now Qian already started, and it's explaining what things required, calculate most efficient through daily tasks, client Google Map API. So lot of things is mentioned, and what backend and all, everything they are mentioning, visualization, report and all. See, now this is given by the Qian search engine. Okay, it means this step I need to follow, and this code I need to go run and all. See how much time it's taking. Here see, the backend API timesheet submission already there. It's Qian is taking from the node. They are taking Node.js. See, all the latest technology they are taking, and Python also they have included for the weekly report generation. So see, this is my work is done, but Okay, but my work is not done because I want to run this code here in the artifacts. So I'll hit the artifacts, and then again I will ask artifacts to do this coding stuff to see how much time is they are taking, because artifacts do only the like a JavaScript, HTML, CSS kind of things stuff. But if you want to build like a AI and all, you need to import, because here you can't import because I am running in artifacts all the things and all. So see here, all the code whatever the AI is writing, that is totally based on the artifacts. See here, now wait sometimes and see here, guys, are you able to see my application? Employee time and routing app. Okay, start. Once you see 1 second to my timer is started. Okay, stop. See, it's a stop. If you want to reset, it will 0. So see, and based on that, report is also here showing how many hours I have worked, how many today I have worked. This is a dummy report they are giving, but based on this, whatever calculation is there, if you see here, employee time, say routing, work time, the same code if you want to use in other places, you can use. Like you need to here come and copy, and then whatever VS Code, whatever tool you are using. In my system, I am using VS Code. Come here, I will tell you. Because why I am doing this? Because I need to check if this code is correct or not, and this only we can do. So I will create one. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I'll go this folder, and then I'll create one file. Timer work.html. Okay, this is my file name is here. Okay, see how much time is they are taking. Why it's taking too much time, I don't know, but yeah, save it and close. Running file creation. Okay, what I'll do now, I will not create here. Maybe something issue there because of I have loaded a lot of code here. What I will do, I will create new folder, and I'll select this folder. And then I'll create my file. Timesheet. Okay, timesheet.html. Okay, this creation is done. Now what I will do, whatever I have copied, I will paste here. Okay, and I'll save it, Control S, and then I'll go to my folder where the file is there. Okay, sometimes it take time, okay, to create a large scale of code, but this is a small coding. Now I'll open, see the UI and everything is looking very good. If I will compare to other tool, so most of time their UI is not looking good, but they are giving very good UI also. Here I'll start and run this, it's working or not. Here is also working. See, timer is already started. So this is my login timing. Okay, and stop. Yeah, stop is also working. Reset is also working. So see, based on that, whatever I have given prompt, based on that, this application is created by the Coin AI. So guys, this is totally free. If I will compare to other AI tool, they are not free. We need to pay if we need to use larger scale of coding and all. So I did very small project. This is not a very big project. It's a very small project, and this project based on my prompt, this Coin is done very accurately whatever I want. Okay, so similar like that, if you want to build To Do application, see, I'll explain you how you can build To Do also. I want you to build To Do application with good UI and animation, and the To do tasks like add, pending, close, delete, reopen, testing, and then also generate report based on add task ID. So this is my here animation. One second, first I'll correct animation spelling. Application also have, yeah. So this happen here guys if you are writing. So yeah, you can correct and then you can give. See, I have done this one and now I'm going to hit the my button. So it's started. Now to do application, see. Guys, last few days I was only using this application Q and Chat because it's giving accurate information. If I will compare to Chat GPT, this is also very good because it's a totally free of cost. We do not need to pay any amount. So this is very good. And this tool, I think if you are a developer, it will very helpful for you. But definitely in a company or organization, they are not using right now because it's an open source. But if you are a fresher also and you want to learn something new, you can use this tool. It's very helpful for you. See, now all the JavaScript functionalities writing. Yeah, see here update report also. See each section they are writing. See here it will running the code. Okay, something issue is coming. Issue you will get in artifacts. Then you need to only copy and paste, and then based on that, this AI will help you to fix that issue also. So that is beauty there. Definitely, if I am going to compare with Codium or other AI tools, so they have beauty there. They have their own editor there, and whatever code you are writing, that folder you can bring on their editor, and then based on that you can create, and whatever creation is happen, you not need to give any effort for that. But the thing is there that is not a totally free. So if you are looking free, because this is a totally free, so that only you need to do one thing. You need to copy and paste in your like whatever VS Code if you are using, yeah, any other editor you are using. So I mostly use Visual Studio because it's very good. See here. Now if you see the application they have built, see, and also fix the bug. Now I'll copy this and come to my folder. Again I'll create a new file that is called todo.html, and I will upload this file in my GitHub account. You can download if you want this for learning purpose. HTML, and I'll paste here this code. UI also looking very good. If I'll compare to the other three, UI also is accurate. Only I need to go the folder and I will hit this. See here UI is also coming. Add my task. Hit li tutorial. So now you can take li AI. See, it's added. Pending, close. If you close, it will close. Pending, it will, wow, task 1 is pending. Reopen, it will reopen. Okay, if I'll close, and then after that if I'll reopen, it will reopen. Wow, then again it's pending because once you reopen it's pending. Yes, and if I'll delete, it will delete. So that is functionality I have developed, guys. You can create new tasks. So this kind of application you can create multiple and then you can deploy, and you can show in your portfolio if you are a fresher. So it will help you to engage your profile for the job also. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button